Good morning, everybody. It's me, Esky. Figured I'd do another show and tell about another vintage fan that I just recently acquired. Here we got this lovely 50s model Eskimo fan model. Damn, I can't read that. 2016. I think that's what it says. Yeah, pretty much. There was another eBay item one. This thing just got relisted like 3 times, and I decided, you know what? Fuck it. I'm going to put a bid in. And I won. I could have went with a buy it now thing, but at the time if I did buy it now, it probably would have been like over by about 3 cents. So, I mean, it's actually unique. I mean, has that built like a tank style. I mean, that thing is heavy. And trying to lift it up to show you guys, it is fucking heavy. So, here's what the back of it looks like. Yeah, it is going to need to be cleaned up because it is a little bit filthy. That's something I plan on doing eventually. Probably the next few days I have off. And here's another interesting story. I got this came on Saturday. And I did not know that FedEx delivered on Saturdays. And I actually would have done it right then and there, but unfortunately I had to work. So, I mean, I apologize for not showing off when I get it, but like I said, work comes first. I mean, hell, it pays the bills and keeps me in my hobbies. Well, I rambled on enough. We'll start off on high. Now I do plan on getting this oiled very well. Damn. Yeah, I don't feel much of a, I mean, I feel a breeze, but it's not very powerful. I mean, the blades are filthy. And I am going to clean this up real well. Get the blade polished and make it nice and shiny. There's medium. Oh yes. Wind down sound. Music. And look. This is actually going to be bigger than my other 3 boxers because the Super Electric's 14, the Corvair's a 12, and I actually measured the Lasco. That's actually a 12-inch blade. So all the past videos I said about the old Lasco 14-inch, disregard them. That's actually a 12. So I'll have to update them as I go. But damn. I'm sure it probably just needs oiled, but if I may quote Emerson Colley on this, that is a low speed. Be perfect to sleep on a warm night. Let's turn it off. Yeah, because spin down time needs to be... Ugh. Yeah. Clean this up, get it oiled, and there'll be a part 2 to this. With a little movie spoof title.